Otello's Event Viewer offers unprecedented insights into the events that disrupt power performance on the grid. The functionality of the Event Viewer allows you to see the event from the perspective of a single Otello device, or to contrast the event across groups of devices located at different points on the grid. To navigate to the Event Viewer, we will start off on the home page and select Viewers from our menu. Next, we will select the Event Viewer. Similar to the trend browser, we're given the option to select our time period. To demonstrate, here we will select 1 month. From here, we'll need to select our measurement points. Otello gives you the option to either select all measurement points or to filter them as you please. Once you are done with your selection, the events will load in automatically, displaying a variety of data. The events are presented as single line items, but each make use of logic grouping, preventing large quantities of events from appearing. From the data given, we can organize our events based on the date, the event class, the duration, the residual, or the source direction. We will leave the data to be organized chronologically and move on to selecting our 3 measurement points. Once the selection has been made, we can make use of the Fetch Sparklines button that will show the voltage, current, active power and reactive power of our measurement points. For a more in-depth look at our data, we can once again select our measurement points and this time select the Detail Viewer tab. Here we can choose between a line graph, a dual line graph or a scatter plot. We will select a line graph and proceed to choose the data stream that we wish to work with. The cycle data stream is selected by default, but in this case we will be using the wave stream. From here we can simply select our wave voltage and our number of channels and continue to plot our line graph. As we can see, the full magnitude of our voltage waveforms are displayed. We can get a closer look at the data by simply making a selection anywhere on the graph. The scope of the graph will change based on your selection. This is where we can see the high levels of time synchronization accuracy that Otello offers. Alternatively, we can get a better representation of the data by using our scroll wheel to zoom in at any point on the graph. This can be done on either the X or Y axis depending on which measurement you want expanded. You can return to the original size of the graph by double-clicking the mouse. We can easily change the contents shown on the canvas if we wish to do so. Simply click the X to close the graph and once again select Line Graph option. This time we will choose RMS voltage, click Add Selection and plot our graph. We can now see our RMS voltage displayed within our 3 channels. We can supplement our graph by adding another data stream. If we go back to the line graph selection, we can choose RMS current parameter group and add the selection. Both data streams are now represented simultaneously for us to analyze and compare.